If you want to buy a tool set to tighten and loosen that screw, which is so difficult, the space is so tight. If you have thick hands and fingers like me, forget it. But you gotta do what you have to do. The other thing is, I didn't do it, but I only did it on this broken piece. Maybe shave this piece a little bit so you can reach the screw, which goes right here. This is from the top, like this, and this is from the bottom screw. The bottom screw is easier to tighten or loosen, but the one on the top, it's really tight, and I had to use and buy this small wrench or socket set from Amazon. I'll put the link underneath.